Uy, wait lang. May live ngayon na
Ano yan?
boxing ba? Uy, tignan nyo ka lang. Oo. Hindi, manood tayo ng boxing.
Manood tayo ng gold.
Boxing!
Boxing!
Ano ng ball? Ball!
I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard or go home. One way up, no way out. I give it all for the family.
Introducing first from the red corner, with a time period of short term and having 5 types, and was rated by men day by day changing atmospheric condition. With 7 letters and 2 syllables, give it up! Weather la. Coming from the blue corner, with a time period of long term and having 13 types, with rated the average weather for a certain place in a period of 30 years. Consisting of 7 letters and 2 syllables. Raise your hands, climate, average pattern.
We talk about climate change in terms of years, decades, and centuries. Beach. I have a lot of components such as sunshine, rain, cloud cover, winds, hail, snow, sleet, freezing rain, flooding, blizzards, ice storms, thunderstorm, and steady rains. Bitch!
Kuya, boring naman yan. Kayo na nag-entry eh. Kuya. Kasi boring, king naman naman.
Wala lang. Wait lang. Boxing ka rin. Maganda kaya. Legend na lang. Bala ka na siya ng isna.
Legend of the Pambay!
Legend of the boy!
Ano din ang itra?
Okay na. Okay.
Boy!
The moment I met you, I swear, I felt as if some.
숨쉬고 싶어 이 밤이 싫어 이젠 깨고 싶어 꿈속이 싫어 내 안에 갇혀서 난 죽어있어 Just wanna be lonely Just wanna be yours 왜 이리 깜깜한 건지 네가 없는 이곳은 위험하잖아 망가진 내 모습 구해줘 난 돈을 잡을 수 없어 내 심장 소리 들어봐 잘못대로 널 부르잖아 이 까만 어둠 속에서 너는 이렇게 빛나니까 그 손을 내밀어줘 Save me, save me I need your love before 그 손을 내밀어줘 Save me, save me I need your love before 그 손을 내밀어줘 Save me, save me Save me, baby 이런 느낌 어디에서 왔는지 잘 몰라
Tropical savanna climate or tropical wet and dry climate is a type of climate that corresponds to the Köppen climate classification. Tropical savanna climates have monthly mean temperatures of 18 degrees Celsius or 64 degrees Fahrenheit in every month of the year, and typically a pronounced dry season with the driest month having precipitation less than 60 millimeters and also less than 100 millimeters of precipitation. Tropical wet is only found along the equator, usually within 25 degrees of the equator because large areas of tropical wet are found in Brazil, Democratic Republic of Congo, Indonesia, and the Philippines. As our Earth revolves around the sun, the equator always receives direct sunlight and warmth throughout the entire year. Direct sunlight is different than indirect sunlight. Indirect sunlight may not deliver warmth, similar to the light that hits the polar areas, but direct sunlight mean light and warmth.
A humid subtropical climate is a zone of climate characterized by hot, humid summers and mild winters. Mediterranean climate is characterized by hot, dry summers and cool, wet winters. It is located between about 30° and 45° latitude north and south of the equator and on the western sides of the continents. Marine West Coast climate is characterized by equable climates with few extremes of temperature and ample precipitation in all months.
Humid continental climate is found in the interior of continents between the 30 and 60 degrees latitude, but usually above the 40-degree line. 40 degrees north of the equator means less direct sunlight and therefore less warmth. This climate is mainly found in the northern hemisphere since there are no major land masses in the southern hemisphere. Subarctic climate is usually found in the interior of high-latitude continents, usually between 50 and 70 degrees latitude. Since there are no large continents in high latitudes in the southern hemisphere, subarctic climate is only found in the northern hemisphere. Subarctic climate has two seasons. The winter is much longer and extremely cold, with a cool to mild summer lasting only 2 to 3 months. The summer is sometimes only 1 month long.
Tundra climate areas experience a very harsh winter and a cool summer. An ice cap climate is a polar climate where the temperature never exceeds 0 degrees Celsius.
Nearly 33% of the Earth's land is covered in arid climate. The word arid means dry. The two colors on the map represent warm and cold arid climates. If land has an arid climate, it is usually a desert. Most deserts are found along the 30-degree latitude line. This is due to the pattern of cold weather currents which force dry air over the land. Other arid climates exist in the center of continents or in the rain shadow of large mountain ranges. A rain shadow is land on a side of a mountain that is very dry because the mountain forces warm air higher into the sky, which cools it and it falls as rain, but only on one side of the mountain. Semi-arid climate is always found on the outer edge of arid climate areas. The two colors in the map represent cold and warm semi-arid climate areas. The seasonal changes depend on the latitude, but it is safe to say most places experience a summer and winter. Usually, the winter produces more rain. When the cooler winter air meets the warmer land, rain sometimes falls. Temperatures can be as low as 15 degrees. However, in the African Sahel or northern Australia, temperatures remain high throughout the year, so latitude is clearly a cause of temperature in semi-arid climate.
Highland climates are cool to cold, found in mountains and high plateaus.
Uy, ano ba yun? Bitin na tapos na. Ano? Next yun na lang, next yun na lang. Kasi na ba yun?
Kasi si Peppo. Umalis na siya?
Baka nag-CR. Hindi,
Gusto.
믿는 게 아냐 버텨보는 거야 할 수 있는 게 나 이것뿐이라서 머물고 싶어 더 꿈꾸고 싶어 그래도 말야 떠날 때가 됐는걸 Yeah, it's my truth